I'm back at the Wormingford garden today and we're going to be doing some weeding. So we've got a bed of baby strawberry plants here, and I'll be showing in a separate video the planting of the strawberries. But here we've got a lot of weeds that are coming in between. So why is weeding important? Well, it's mainly because the competition for food and nutrients and moisture with water that's going to compete with the plant we want. You can see here we've got a variety of different weeds and we need to get all of those out. And the best way is actually literally to hand weed. So you're digging them up and pulling them up from the roots. And then little shake off, put them aside for the compost heap. If you've got a large perennial weed though, for example a dandelion, then or brambles or nettles, they shouldn't go on the compost heap because they will actually regrow as soon as they have an opportunity when you reuse that compost later on. And then of course when you finish, give them a good water over and make sure they're all happy in case you've disturbed any of the roots of the plants themselves. So I need to consider what tools to use. A hand fork or a hand trowel can be ideal for this, and you can also use a trowel backwards to lever out the weed. I'm also wearing gloves just to protect my hands. I may consider also wearing some goggles if I was concerned about soil flicking up into my eyes. So PPE is important to consider.